Hi, today we are going to do finding the value of an expression, that is substitution. Example 1. Find the value of the following expressions when a equals 2, b equals -3, c equals 5. So we have unknowns a, b, c. So instead of a, b, c, we have to put these values. So first one, that is 5a plus b, that is 5 times a equals 2. So 5 times 2 plus b equals -3. So I'm gonna put minus value inside a bracket. Then multiplication first, that is 5 times 2, that is 10. Then I have signs together, so plus minus, that is -3. Then 10 minus 3, that is 7. Second one, that is bc plus a to the power 2. b is -3, that is -3 times c is 5. 5 plus a equals 2. 2 to the power 2. Then multiplication and here indices. Okay, let's do indices, that is 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. Now multiplication, that is -3 times 5, that is -15 plus 4. -15 plus 4, that is -11. Number 3, b plus c over a. b equals -3, that is -3 plus c equals 5 over a equals 2. Then -3 plus 5, that is 2. 2 over 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Then number 4, that is c times a minus b. c equals 5. 5 brackets, a equals 2 minus b equals -3. Then you can see bracket here. Inside the bracket I have signs, that is minus times minus, minus times minus, that is plus. So 5 bracket 2 plus 3. 5 times 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5 times 5, 25. Example 2, that is find the value of the following expressions when x equals -3. So instead of x, I have to put -3. Okay, question A, that is 3x. Instead of x, I have to put -3. -3 to the power 2 minus 2 times 2x means 2 times x. So 2 times, instead of x, I have to put -3. Then indices, that is 3 minus 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2 means -3 times -3, that is 3 times 3, 9, minus into minus, that is plus. So plus 9. So 3 times 9 minus 2 times -3, that is -6. Then 3 times 9, that is 27. minus times minus 6, that is plus 6. Then 27 plus 6, that is 33. Question B, that is 2x whole thing to the power 2 minus x squared. So x equals minus 3. Okay, let's write 2 times x equals minus 3 minus 3. This whole thing to the power 2 minus x equals minus 3 minus 3 to the power 2. Then 2 times minus 3, that is minus 6 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2. We already found here minus 3 to the power 2 means plus 9. So minus 6 to the power 2. Minus 6 to the power 2 means minus 6 times minus 6. 6 times 6, 36. Minus times minus plus. So that is 36 minus 9. That is 27. Example 3. Find the value of the following expressions when a equals minus 2, b equals minus 3, c equals 3. Okay, question 1, that is 3a times b squared minus a squared whole thing over c. Okay, let's substitute. 3 times a equals minus 2, so I'm going to put a bracket here. B equals minus 3 to the power 2, subtract a equals minus 2 to the power 2, close bracket, everything over c equals 3. Then I have indices here. Outside I have 3 times minus 2. I can simplify that also. That is 3 times minus 2 minus 6 bracket minus 3 to the power 2. That is minus 3 into minus 3. That is plus 9 minus 2 to the power 2. That is minus 2 times minus 2. That is 4. Whole thing over 3. Okay, next minus 6 times 9 minus 4, that is 5 over 3. Now it is multiplication here. You can cancel up and down. So 3 times 1 and 3 times minus 2. Minus 2 times 5 minus 10 over 1. This one, that is minus 10 over 1 means minus 10. Question 2, that is a squared plus b squared plus c squared whole thing square root. So a, that is minus 2 to the power 2, b minus 3 to the power 2, and c, that is 3 to the power 2 square root. Minus 2 to the power 2 means minus 2 times minus 2, that is plus 4. Minus 3 to the power 2 means minus 3 times minus 3, that is plus 9. 3 to the power 2 means 9. Okay, 4 plus 9, that is 13. 13 plus 9, that is 22. Square root. That's the answer. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.